What's going on, everyone? So I'm about to install white lights in this one. This is ugly looking. My friend said it sucks. He wanted white lights here and the back, and then the license plate. So I ordered him this one. It comes in 10 pieces for a 2015. I think it will fit 2014 and 13 and 16 and 17. For the interior dome lights, and I'll let you guys know in the end where it actually goes. They all would fit, so you don't have to buy extra stuff. And this package does come with this, you know, to open the sides. It's plastic, so it doesn't scratch anything. So that's a great bonus with that in the package. And I'll put the link in the description below if you guys need one. Yeah, so let's get to it. So yeah, to open it, you just kind of squeeze in over here, and then it's right there, as you guys can see, and just kind of push inwards, and it will just pop right out. And just kind of wiggle it, and then both sides will come out. But yeah, I'm just showing you. There you go. So my bad if you didn't see that one, but look, just going in the center, and it just pops right out. There you go, see? Well, make sure you don't burn yourself, because if you had it on for a while, these will be hot. The standard ones are ugly. They heat up so quick. Just pull them out. And this is the one we're about to install. So just install them in, and then try if it works. No, then switch them. There you go. Just turn them 180 degrees and make sure it works before you close it. So that's the white one. That looks awesome. Now to open the back side, you will see like small clips right here. Just go right next to it and kind of push it down. There's two of them, as you can see right in the corners, and it pops right out. Make sure you don't go in this area. Just this. You can see right there now. Two spots right there. But I already did this one, so I just wanted to help you guys out in case somebody breaks it. But here you go, it's white now. So for the license plate, you just get in there, it'll come out by itself. And then once it's outside, let me put the screw away. Just kind of wiggle it, and then it will come right out. So here's the issue here. The issue is that you have to remove this to get to the bulb. So squeeze in the sides, and then it will come out. But make sure when you do put it back, it's got to go at an angle, not like straight. Then it will go in easily. So put this somewhere safe, and make sure you don't let it go, because it's gonna go back inside. Then you gotta remove the inside the trunk. Alright, so there it goes. It's not that dark yet, but that's how it looks inside. The car is dirty. It's not mine. But here you go. Now you got the white lights, much better. License plate, a lot better. And he's still working on the door handles, dipping them black. Yes, overall it looks awesome. And then the front. You can see white. Yeah, you can see a little bit. It's not that dark outside yet, but yeah, you can still see inside. But yeah, the link is in the description below if you want the LED lights for a dome, and the 10 of them will come in a package. You can put them two in the inside and one back here, and one in the trunk is inside. I put one in the trunk and two for the front. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.